Have you ever wondered if there could be a more engaging way to learn than just reading from textbooks? For many, the conventional methods of education, like textbooks and classroom learning, are the norm. But let's take a closer look. These traditional approaches, while tried and true, have their share of challenges. For one, they often lack engagement. Picture a classroom full of students, some lost in daydreams, others struggling to keep their eyes open. The monotony of words on a page or a teacher's lecture can lead to this disengagement. Then there's the difficulty of grasping complex concepts. Ever tried wrapping your head around quantum physics or abstract algebra from a dense textbook? It's not exactly a walk in the park. And let's not forget the one-size-fits-all approach. It's an approach that doesn't consider the individual learning styles of students, potentially leaving some behind. But what if there was a way to make learning more interactive, immersive, and personalized? Enter the world of augmented reality. Imagine if instead of just reading about the solar system, you could actually see it in 3D right before your eyes. Welcome to the world of augmented reality, or AR, where digital information overlays the real world to create a new immersive experience. Unlike traditional learning methods, Arkansas brings subjects to life, transforming abstract concepts into tangible experiences. Think about a science class where students can dissect a virtual frog without the squeamishness. Imagine a history lesson where students can explore a 3D model of the pyramids of Giza, or a geography class where they can navigate the Amazon rainforest from their desks. This is the power of augmented reality. By bridging the gap between the digital and physical world, augmented reality provides a hands-on, interactive approach to learning. It's like having a personal, interactive 3D encyclopedia at your fingertips. So, augmented reality has the potential to revolutionize education. But what are the benefits? Think about how much more you could understand and remember if you could interact with your study material in a 3D environment.